Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Okay, let's have a look at present continuous questions. How are you doing? Present continuous questions. Mastering the present continuous tense is a crucial step in becoming fluent in English. In this presentation, or this lesson, we'll explore how to form and use this versatile tense, focusing on questions and short answers. And once again, lesson is made by myself, Alfred Krobler. Okay, let's have a look at what is the present continuous tense. Now guys, if you haven't watched the previous lesson on present continuous tense, I'd advise you to watch it before you watch the one about questions, right? Let's look at it. Just a recap, actions happening now. The present continuous tense describes actions that are in progress at the moment of speaking. Ongoing or temporary situations. It can also be used for situations that are ongoing or temporary, not necessarily happening at the exact moment. Guys, like I said just now, I would advise you to maybe have a watch of the next video, or the previous video. Okay, let's look at the question structure, and of course at some examples, right? The question structure. Number one, the positive. I am, he, she, it is, we, you are. Doing, working, going, staying, etc., whatever it could be. Guys, once again, these little tables, I think it's very important that you learn them off by heart, because this forms the whole structure of a question. Maybe, for instance, you'll see in a moment, or an answer, short answer, or whatever. These things here will help you to become fluent in English. Really, guys, these little tables and all the videos I've made so far are very important. Make sure you know them and you understand them. Righto, questions. Am I? Is he doing? Is she working? Is it going? Are we staying? Are you doing? Or are they living? Or whatever the case might be, right? By the way, this ECT means etc. would means continuation of these words over here. Righto. Now let's have a look at some examples over here. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I'm fine, thanks. That's a very polite way. You can't just say yes, it's not wrong, but it's not polite. This is very polite, saying it that way over there. Is it raining? Yes, take an umbrella. Why are you wearing a coat? It isn't cold. What's Peter doing? He's reading a book. Look, there's Jane. Where's she going? Who are you waiting for? My mom. Or you can say, I'm waiting for my mom, would be more polite. Or you could just say, my mom. Whichever. Righto, guys, that's the basic about the question structure. Please make sure you understand these tables over here. If you know these tables, in the middle of the night you wake up and you can say them, well, guys, then you know it very well. Okay, let's have a look at study the word order. Guys, this here, I can't tell you how important it is. You know, I've been teaching in Southeast Asia for approximately 18 years, and I can't tell you how many people still don't get this right correctly. It's important, guys, to study it. Is R plus a subject plus ing. For instance, is he working today? Many people will say, is working today, right? For instance, or where are they going? They'll say, where going they? Or where go they? Guys, that is so important to study this little table over here. I know I'm referring to many tables already, but yes, it's important. If you want to speak English fluently, these are the things you'll have to follow, right? For instance, is he working today? Is Paul or Peter or Jane or whoever working today? Where are they going? Where are you going? Where are we going? Where are those people going? Guys, this is so important to get this correctly right. Okay, let's have a look at answering yes-no questions. Wow, that could be interesting. Yes, I am, or no, I am not. Right? You cannot say yes, I am. Yes, I'm. You can't. Sorry, you've got to say yes, I am. Here you can say no, I'm not. Right? It will still be okay. Here, yes, he, she, it is, or no, he, she, it is not, or no, he, she, it isn't. Right? Once again, yes, you, we, they are, or no, we, you, they are not, or no, we, you, they aren't. Right? In these two forms here, it is correct to use the abbreviated form of is not, and are not. Right? Let's look at some examples. Are you going now? Yes, I am. You cannot say yes, I am. You have to say yes, I am. Is Jane working today? Yes, she is. Right? Also, again, you cannot say she's. Right? You've got to say she is. Is it raining? No, it isn't. Great, guys. Now you've got the basics of all the answering yes/no questions. Let's go a little one step further now. Okay. I'm quite sure that by this time now you are quite confident you know how to do it. So let's make some questions. So as I say, you make questions from these words. Put the words in the correct order. So here you've got some words over here, and now you must make the question using these words over here. Same over here. Once again, there's only 5 of them, guys, but it'll give you good practice on how to make the questions, right? The present continuous questions. At this stage, like always, I'll advise you to pause the video and take your notebook or whatever and make the questions. And once you have made the questions, you can continue watching the video to check your answers. Right? I'll give you a minute or two to answer the questions.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay. Now that you've had some time and you've paused the video and you've answered the questions, let's go and check your answers and make sure you've got it correct, right? The first one is working Peter today. Oh, that's almost there, but right there you've got the correct question. Is Peter working today? Let's go and have a look at number 2. What are the children doing? Number 3. Are you listening to me? Number 4. Where are your friends going? Are your parents watching TV? Guys, please listen to the pronunciation of the words as well. If you're not sure, listen to the video or watch the video 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, but please make sure you understand it, you're pronouncing the words correctly, and you will soon, very soon, start mastering your English and be getting much more fluent in English. Righto. Okay, now that you know how to make the questions and you've had some practice in making the questions, let's have a look at writing short answers, yes/no answers, right? Like yes I am, no he isn't, etc. Righto, let's have a look. There's only 5 of them. So let's have a look at it once again, guys. And like always, pause the video, answer the questions, and once you're finished answering the questions, we will have a look at the answers and compare your answers if they are correct. Righto, guys, I'm going to give you a couple of minutes.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay. Once again, let's check your answers. Guys, please compare your answers, and where necessary, correct where you've made mistakes, and if you don't understand why, please go back in the video and have a look. Make sure you've got it correct. It's important. Righto, let's look at the first one. No, I'm not. Or you could say, yes, I am. Right? Are you watching TV? No, I'm not. Or yes, I am. Are you eating a hamburger? That makes me hungry now. No, I'm not, or again, yes, I am, depending which one it is. Is it raining? No, it isn't, or yes, it is. Are you sitting on the floor? No, I'm not, or yes, I am. And the last one, are you feeling ill? No, I'm not, or yes, I am. Guys, this is very simple, very easy, and I'm sure that by now you've got the hang of it. Please, if you don't get the hang of it, watch the video again and practice with a friend. Listen to the pronunciation. Make sure you're getting the pronunciation correct, and I'm sure you'll become fluent in English very soon. Okay, let's have a look at using present continuous questions in context. The first one that we'll be looking at, are you enjoying the party? Or are you enjoying the lesson? Are you enjoying the conversation? Are you enjoying whatever, right? Second one, is it raining outside? Third one, what are you doing this weekend? Or what are you doing tomorrow? What you'll be doing next week, next year, whatever the case might be, right? There are many other questions that you can have a look at. These are just the three basic ones, and I'm quite sure that if you can do this and you understand this, that you'll basically be able to answer and ask any question in the present continuous tense. Okay, let's have a look at the key takeaways from this lesson. Of course, the first one, the formation, am, is, are, plus subject, plus verb and ing at the end of the verb. Righto. The second one is the word order. Remember the correct word order of the words. Guys, this here is so important. If you don't get this right, sometimes people will not understand what you are asking. And of course, lastly, the short answers. You've had some practice in using short answers in your responses. You made short answers, guys. You also had a lot of practice in making questions. So I'm quite sure that by this time now, you can make questions and give short answers in the present continuous. Righto, guys, thank you for watching the lesson. If you enjoyed and gained by it, don't forget to buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you much.